What if I told you that the most powerful AI skill is not coding, not machine learning? It's simply asking the right question. Yes, the difference between someone getting average results from AI and someone getting mind-blowing results from tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Google Gemini is just one thing: prompt engineering. In the next few minutes, you'll discover why prompt engineering feels like AI magic, how simple prompts control powerful AI systems, and why experts say AI is actually prompt engineering in disguise. Stay until the end because I'll show you a simple prompt trick that makes AI 10x smarter. So what exactly is prompt engineering? A prompt is simply the instruction you give to AI. But here's the interesting part. AI models like ChatGPT and Gemini don't actually think. They generate responses based on patterns learned from massive data. That means the quality of your prompt determines the quality of the result. Bad prompt. Write about AI. Good prompt. Explain prompt engineering for beginners in 3 simple steps with real examples. Same AI. Different result. That's the power of prompt engineering. Now here's a bold statement many AI experts are making. AI is actually prompt engineering. But is that true? Let's break it down. AI models are incredibly powerful. But without clear instructions, they are like a supercomputer waiting for direction. Think of AI like a genius assistant. If you say, do something useful, you'll get random results. But if you say, create a viral YouTube script about prompt engineering using SEO keywords and strong hooks, suddenly, AI becomes extremely powerful. So the real skill isn't just using AI. The real skill is communicating with AI effectively. And that communication skill is called prompt engineering. Prompt engineering feels like magic because small changes can create dramatically different results. For example, Prompt 1. Write a blog about productivity. Prompt 2. Write a 500-word SEO-optimized blog about productivity tools in 2025 with headings, bullet points, and keywords. Same AI. Completely different output. This is why prompt engineering is becoming one of the most valuable AI skills in the world. Developers, marketers, designers, and YouTubers are using prompt engineering too. Create content faster. Write code with AI. Generate marketing ideas. Automate workflows. Build AI businesses. Quick question for you. Have you ever used AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini? Comment below. Yes or no. And if you're learning something new from this video, like the video and subscribe to the channel because we break down AI tools, AI skills, and future technology every week. Let me show you 3 powerful prompt engineering techniques used by AI experts. Technique 1: Role prompting. Tell AI who it should act like. Example: act as a professional YouTube SEO expert and create a viral video title. Technique 2: Step-by-step prompting. Ask AI to think step by step. Example: explain prompt engineering step by step for beginners. Technique 3: Context prompting. Give AI more information. Example: create a 10-minute YouTube script about prompt engineering for beginners interested in AI tools. The more context you give, the smarter AI becomes. Experts believe prompt engineering will become one of the most important digital skills of the decade. Why? Because AI is entering every industry: healthcare, education, programming, marketing. People who understand how to guide AI will have a massive advantage. In fact, some companies are already hiring prompt engineers with 6-figure salaries. And this field is just getting started, so let's answer the big question. Is AI actually prompt engineering? The truth is, AI is the engine. Prompt engineering is the steering wheel. Without prompts, AI is powerful but directionless. With the right prompts, AI becomes one of the most powerful tools humans have ever created. If you want to master AI tools, prompt engineering, and the future of artificial intelligence, make sure you like the video, comment your favorite AI tool, and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into AI technology. And remember, The future doesn't belong to people who use AI. It belongs to people who know how to prompt it.